Can't catch fish sleeping, right?
Yeah, can't catch fish sleeping, Connor.
Alright guys, today we made a trip down to Columbus. We're at Hoover Reservoir. We're gonna see if we can't get on some blue cats or even some flatheads here. There's some decent flatties. It's looking good out here. It's not windy, it's nice and calm. We got Connor with us and we got Logan.
Oh yeah, bud.
We'll see what happens today, guys. This is the spot we're at. I'm fishing right here, straight out over that way. Might even put a pole over towards the cove area. Connor's at the front half of this island, and then Logan's taking the back side over there in the other half of that cove. I'll let you guys know when we get set up and get on some action. Alright guys, I got all my poles set up. Live bluegill on the first one right here. Cut shad, cut shad. We're gonna see what they're after. Hopefully cut shad. We got plenty of it. I guess we got plenty of bluegill too. We got a big sucker. So, and we got some free music going over there. That's pretty cool. Let you guys know if we get on some action. He let it go. He let go. I couldn't let him go. Yep. Got it?
Yeah. I don't know what he's doing. Oh no.
Spitting fucking bait. That's what they're doing tonight, dude. So the trip started off really strong the first half hour, 45 minutes or so. I mean, we're 0 for 5 on fish so far. They're hitting really weird and barely getting hooked. So we've reeled on them and they've spit the hook. I lost mine because I kind of panicked. It almost spooled me because how hard it took off, and I missed the hook set, I guess. It robbed me and everything, but we'll get on them. We just gotta clean our mess up and catch up to the fish because they've got us beat right now, making a fool of us. It is so pretty outside right now. Pretty pink skies. Matching the pink pole. What? Get the net, Connor.
I don't know if it's a big one or not, but he
Get the net.
destroyed my drag.
No, he's not big. Look, he netted himself. Or landed himself.
Well, yeah, because I'm used to fucking everybody going big enough fish over here.
Can you help me up? It's a big bank.
How sharp are your teeth, dude? Oh, they're kind of sharp.
Wouldn't put your hand in it.
Damn, what a fucking hook set, bro. I got that motherfucker. Let me pliers out of my bag real quick.
Don't. You just need to learn how to take the fucking hook out of a fish. Hold him up for the camera.
You alright, bud?
Hold him up. Turn your light off.
Oh, you do it.
Good shit, buddy. Hell yeah.
First Hoover cat.
Get some pictures.
First Hoover cat for me. He's extra slimy, bro.
Good shit, buddy. Vehicle lock-in notice. Telling us we can't get out till 7:30 a.m. But we called the number. I'm putting the number in YouTube. Fucking prank call them. Don't do that. But
Thought it was.
We're locked in. They said 11 o'clock on Google. Yep. Google's always
Google lied to us.
Got locked in.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good night, guys.
You too, man.
Going to the right.
Yeah, go right.
Got him, Connor?
Yeah. Good fish.
Where's the net at?
David!
David!
Fuck yeah, dude. Good shit. Good fish. It's okay.
He definitely felt big. He definitely felt big. He felt way big.
Connor caught a blue.
Hear me? Yeah.
Decent blue right
Appreciate
there.
you.
Ready for the release, buddy?
Buddy.
There he goes.
Zooming.
How you feel, buddy?
Hey, it's been a long night, but
That's
something.
Hell yeah.
Well, it's currently 5:44 a.m. I'm about to fish by myself. These boys are knocked. Let's go fishing all night. Leaves me out in the cold by myself. So we're gonna go catch a fish by ourselves, I guess. Let you guys know if anything happens. Good night, ladies. Let you know when I catch a fish. The vaginas. Scared of the fucking cold. That's some pussy shit. I'm a first shifter and I'm staying up all night. Trying to catch me a damn toad here. Maybe I just gotta be them gotta be asleep. Look at this. I'm catching me a fucking fish, dude. They're crazy. They're fucking nuts. It's so pretty out. I love sunrises and sunsets. It's literally the best artwork from Mother Nature. And those guys would rather be in the trucks sleeping like a bunch of sissies. Unreal. This is so much better than sleep. I enjoy this a lot. I've got cut shad on all poles now, so we'll see if that makes any difference. Yep. Oh, he just hit my bait. No way. That's so good, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. That's a good fish. another line. It's barely in his mouth. Look at that little shit. I got another line. Look. Yep, make your way back to the water by yourself. See you, bye. Didn't even have to release him, that's pretty cool. Smell like shad, dude. Wake up, dude. Hey. Yeah. I hope he didn't get off. He was fucking running forever, dude.
Here, Connor. Here, Connor. You got it. Careful, Connor.
He better still be on there. He was on there forever, dude, running. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. No! Sorry, buddy. Not bad.
Hell yeah, dude.
And this was ripping on. Okay, my phone's right there. I threw my phone down.
Give me some blankets.
Not bad.
I don't want to break the line.
Cool.
There's people down there with a boat who cast it right on my line.
Oh wow, that's actually not a bad fish
I
at all.
told you, it's not a bad fish.
Wow.
Hell yeah, buddy. Good shit, dude. Were you out there far? Like deep?
About right where that slack water's at, that
Yeah,
pool.
I figured. Hell yeah, dude. I heard it was
Hey.
Connor. And I was like, what? And he didn't respond. I was like, ah, fuck. It's always serious and he doesn't respond back.
Hell yeah, dude. My first big blue.
Yeah, that's not a bad one. I told you it wasn't bad.
He
Oh, I'm going for a ride.
12?
12,
I'll take that.
12-1, yeah.
I'll take that.
All right. Going to get like shrimp.
He's gonna soak me.
Probably. Angry bastard. Yep, angry bastard. You better just give one good oomph or you're gonna get soaked.
See you later, buddy. Soaked the GoPro. Big motherfucker, dude. Oh shit.
I got a fucking snapper, dude.
Oh, he's ugly too.
You wanna get down there and get him?
He's ugly.
He's trying to clip the line, bro.
Yeah, he is. Look at him. I don't want to pull it out of his mouth. He's covered in moss, bro. He's been sitting on the bottom.
I don't even know how to hold him, dude. Ooh, he's vicious. How do you hold him?
Just keep him away.
You can get him a little closer to you. He ain't gonna get
Should I
you.
get him on the soft?
No.
All right, let me get you a picture.
Get it?
Yeah, you want to hold him better?
No. I'm kind of scared.
He's pissed.
Connor's got him mad as fuck. Throw him back. Here, put him right there. He'll crawl down.
Yeah, just let him go.
He's going.
Man, he's fucking stinky, dude.
Oh yeah, he's been sitting on the bottom. Put your ass down there. Here.